Hey, Kimberly.
What?
What day is it?
It's cruise day!
It's cruise day, everybody. Finally. Finally it's here. So.
Oh, honey.
Yeah.
Happy anniversary yesterday.
Yes, it was our anniversary yesterday. So this is our anniversary cruise.
Exactly.
So, really excited. We're just waiting for the car to pick us up, and then we're headed down to the Port of Long Beach, which is a relief because we don't have to fly anywhere.
Yay!
Which is different from the last several cruises we've done.
We actually got to sleep in a little bit.
Yeah, we did.
Which was nice.
We did. So didn't have to get up at the butt crack of dawn to get to the airport. So, like I said, we're just waiting on the car. We're packed up, ready to go, and
I'm so excited.
yeah, we are excited. So we will check back with you when the car gets here, and we'll be vlogging the whole trip. So stay with us. We're really excited to show you guys this adventure.
It's cruise day.
Bye.
Bye.
The car has arrived. Walking up the ramp to the ship, and it seems like an endless climb.
Yes, we're going to our room. That's right. Watch out. We're on the ship!
So we just met our cabin steward.
He's awesome.
Domingo. Awesome.
That's
Super cool guy.
We're going up.
Going up. We're at the aft bar
So we don't know how this works.
with Harold, our bartender. Say hello. Say hello, Harold.
Hello, how are you doing?
All right.
Come back here.
That's right. Harold is from St. Vincent in the Caribbean. Why he would ever leave there, I don't know. I volunteered to take his place in St. Vincent.
I live here to explore.
That's right. So he lives there to explore. So
We are on the ship, having a wonderful time.
that's right.
My office is actually right behind us, and we are just happy as two peas in a pod.
Yeah. Whatever peas in a
And our
pod feel
cabin
like.
is wonderful. Take some time. We're gonna unpack, get kind of settled in before our muster drill, or as much as we can before the muster drill. So
Yeah, muster drill's in like 30 minutes
your
or
hat's
so.
like in my way.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
I'm blocking the star of the show.
Well, at least you know that.
That's right.
I love you.
So we're gonna get settled in, kind of unpack in our cabin. We'll do a cabin tour later.
Yeah, once
the
we
cruise?
get everything set up the way we
Yeah.
usually do.
Yeah, probably later.
We've got a lot more space in this cabin, so
Oh, it's huge cabin, huge balcony. So
it's awesome. It's almost like a master bedroom you have on this cruise ship. It's awesome. Bradford is the organizer of the group. I mean, I can organize, but Bradford has a keen sense of organization, and I love what he does. So he's probably going to be the driving factor in how we're going to organize the cabin. He will let me put my clothes wherever I want, but he will organize the stuff. So going from there, we'll see how it ends up. So we're looking forward to getting the muster drill on the way, and then we're out to sea, and we cannot wait. Yes!
what did you have before that we didn't take a picture of? Because
Chicken quesadilla. What did you have before we didn't take a picture?
and calamari. And we said we were going to take pictures of everything that we eat, and literally the food got here and we ate it.
Hey, Crazy Cruisers. It's Bradford and Kimberly. End of day one. Well, what we're going to call the end of day one. It is exactly 9:35 in the evening. Yes, we're a bunch of lightweights. We had a glorious day. Couple of things real quick we want to talk about. You talk about Embarkation.
Oh my gosh, Embarkation was incredibly smooth. From literally the time we got out of the car until we were on the ship was 10 minutes.
Yeah, literally.
Literally. We just like breezed through security.
Yep.
And we were on the ship 10 minutes after we got out of the car. So that was amazing.
We were on the ship by 12:30 and we got here at 12:15.
Yeah, our room was ready. We came straight to our room.
Yep.
And met our cabin steward.
Really cool guy.
Domingo. So it's 9:30 or so. We went on the balcony. We got back into the room, and it's so strange when you take a Mexican cruise versus like a Caribbean cruise. When you walk out on your balcony at 9:30 on a Caribbean cruise, it's still nice and warm and comfy and humid. Here we walked out and it's cold.
It's cold. It's different. I'm like, wait, okay, yep, here we go.
Yeah, it's probably in the 50s.
It'll get warmer as we get
further south.
South.
But it's just it's different. Definitely different.
It is. Why are these first days always so? I get so tired. I'm so tired so easily.
Because you're old.
I guess so. We're midlife. We're not old, and we're crazy. Our cabin is ginormous, superbly huge and wonderful, and couldn't ask for better. So.
And it's got a bidet.
Well, yeah.
What more could you ask for? But a bidet.
A badonk.
A badonk.
I don't even know what that is.
We got a towel animal.
You want to turn it around and show our towel animal?
I'll just take a picture and put it in.
Put picture in of our towel animal.
I'm not sure what it is.
What is it?
Is it an elephant, a bear, a lion?
I can't tell.
I don't know.
Anyway, we're going to sign off. That's it for day one. All right, Crazy Cruisers, we're going to call it an evening. I'm Kimberly.
I'm Brad.
And we are Midlife Crazy. Have a great evening.
Bye.
Or day. Or morning.
Or wherever
you are. We're punchy. And we're tired.
Bye.
Bye.